The Solo Step overhead track system is a simple and effective tool to decrease falls and increase confidence during rehab. Solo Step can be used with a variety of equipment, including parallel bars, balance boards, obstacle courses, and more. Whether your facility space installs 10 feet of track or 50 feet of track, the Solo Step system will operate the same. After your Solo Step track system is installed, the therapist will be responsible for utilizing the system. The two main accessories for the Solo Step are the harness and the lanyard. Once your Solo Step track is installed, you will be able to connect your adjustable lanyard to the trolley. Our team will send you the correct lanyard length for your ceiling height. There are two carabiners on each end of the lanyard, one to connect to the trolley and one to the harness. To open the carabiner to connect to the trolley, twist the locking mechanism and push to open. The lanyard will easily attach or detach to the smooth gliding trolley. The lanyard's height can be easily adjusted up or down according to your patient's needs. Simply push the carabiner open and attach or detach the lanyard from the harness. To apply the Solo Step harness on your patient in a standing position, simply place the harness over the patient's shoulders and buckle the chest strap. Tighten the chest strap by pulling on the blue webbing. The harness's side straps may be adjusted by feeding the harness through the side buckle and pulling upwards on the blue webbing. Repeat as needed on each side of the harness. Secure the leg straps by buckling the harness around each leg. Tighten the harness by pulling down on the blue webbing. Your patient is now ready for safe and effective balance training. To apply the Solo Step harness on your patient in a seated position, lower the harness onto a chair. Position the harness so it will be under the patient as they sit onto the chair. Pull the lower part of the lanyard behind the chair so it is out of the way of the patient. Place the harness straps over the patient's shoulders, buckle and tighten the chest strap as needed. Pull the leg straps between the patient's legs. Buckle the leg straps to the side of the harness and tighten the straps as needed. Repeat the same process on the other side. Ask the patient to stand and pull upwards on the lanyard to lock the lanyard into its appropriate position. Use an additional therapist if needed. Remember that the Solo Step is used to prevent patient falls during therapy. It is not to be used as a patient transfer or lifting device. If you have any questions about the Solo Step overhead track system, please reach out to your sales representative or contact us at one of the links below.